I'm Jody with CocoaDaisy, and in this video, we are unboxing all of the fun extras like the stamps, the dashboards, the pouch, the stickers from the March 2026 Where the Breeze Begins collection. There's a lot of fun art this month, and I can't wait to share it with you in all the rest of our items. And first, we're going to share the dashboards. So the dashboards come in both the A5 and the personal size. They're the same, they're just scaled for size. So let's go ahead and flip through the A5 first so that you can see all of the cute art a little bit better. So you can see that we have a dashboard. It's just such a beautiful paper too. This one says March and has the lovely florals. Then we have the gorgeous aqua background with all of the clouds and Go Where the Breeze Takes You. And then this lovely spring floral around the edge. Spring reminds us that gentle beginnings can still grow into something wild and wonderful. And then that beautiful whimsical scene, wander where the flowers float and the breezes tell stories. And we also have this fun one as well. I just feel like I can feel the breeze of the clouds and that kite. Things are looking up. And last but not least, the world glows a little kinder when spring takes the stage. So as I said, the personal size are the same as well. They're just sized for, you guessed it, personal size. Those are our dashboards, and they're fun, not even just in a planner. They're wonderful to add to a journal, to a scrapbook, to use for, like taping one of these pages into your notebook and then maybe journaling or adding photos on the back. And the paper is just incredible. I know I already said that, but I'm always, when I'm touching it, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is just so beautiful. All right, so next up, I'm going to share with you this month's stamp set. It is a fun one. It comes in our nice heavy-duty plastic sleeve. It is great for storing and just keeping all of the different items together. And also, I like to stack my stamps like this in a container, and it just keeps them very easy to go through and keeps it very protected. Now, I received a sample stamp set. So you can see right there, it doesn't have the printing on it. So I went ahead and I stamped out the images so that you could see those. And they're just so fun and so whimsical. And it really definitely has a spring feel to it. And you see it says springtime memories, spring memories, and then the florals and the houses and buildings as well. And then we also have our pouch, which I love it, okay? I love the plastic pouches. There's just something that feels so durable and like you can just really add all of your items here. I also love using the plastic pouches for household goods. So for example, like if I'm gonna go somewhere and I need to throw a bunch of things together, like I don't know, I have definitely used these for makeup and other different things when I'm traveling because they're just really durable. They hold a lot. So for example, in case you're wondering, so these are obviously the A5 dashboards. It just fits so perfectly inside here. And there's still a little bit of room to spare. And so the pouch is just a wonderful piece for any collection, and this month's with this artwork is really very sweet as well. So that is the pouch and the dashboards and the stamp set, and you can see some other pictures and projects and all of that on our website. Let's check out all of the different sticker kits from the Where the Breeze Begins collection. I'm going to start with our Daisy Weeks sticker kit. And this one is really fun. It is sized to work perfectly with our Daisy Weeks notebook, but it also works wonderfully with the Hobonichi Weeks planner as well. So you can see there's a bunch of different stickers at the top, some washi type strips at the bottom, and then the date stickers. We also have all of these days of the week and then different icons as well. And some really adorable decorative rectangles. and another sheet of decorative rectangles, but then also some trackers at the top, and a sheet of boxes. So we have some decorative ones at the bottom, and then some that you can write in and fill in at the top. And then also a sheet of little decorative stickers and headers and trackers as well. So this is the Daisy Weeks sticker kit. Now we also have another Daisy Weeks sized sticker kit, and that is our calendar sticker kit. And this one has 2 sheets. And you can see right here, it has the dates and the days of the week, some decorative elements, and then also some little icon stickers as well. And this is perfect for our Daisy Weeks notebook, but also a Hobonichi Weeks planner. Next, I'm going to share with you our planner sticker kit. This kit comes with a sheet of little bullet point stickers, and these are on our vellum sticker paper. And you can see the colors all coordinate perfectly. We have a sheet of vellum stickers that have our washi type strips, but then it also has these different little swatches at the bottom. We have a sheet of decorative boxes, and then also a couple of strips at the bottom, a sheet of checklists and trackers, and then also dates. And we have a sheet of different boxes, trackers, headers, and then some hydration stickers. There is a sheet of really cute little rectangles, some labels, some reminders, and some headers. And then there is also a sheet of decorative stickers. Isn't that fun? Those are the planner sticker kit. And the boxes on these are 1.5 inches wide. So they are perfect for our classic vertical inserts, for a classic size Happy Planner, an Erin Condren planner, that type. They fit the width of the columns. All right, so next up, we're going to take a look at our memory keeping sticker kit. Now this sticker kit is sized to fit our Daisy planner, or a planner that has 2-inch wide columns. So for example, like a big Happy Planner. So we have a sheet that has our boxes and a couple of strips at the bottom. Another sheet that has some boxes. We have some really cute little phrases that look great with photos and different things like that. Some date stickers, some circle labels, and then also some strips at the bottom. Some decorative stickers. And again, these are sized ever so slightly larger for a larger page like our Daisy planner or a big Happy Planner. A sheet of alphabet stickers. A sheet of our vellum stickers that have different phrases and decorative elements. And then we also have a small sheet of vellum stickers that have different sort of prompts on them or labels, that type of thing. So they're great for journaling or for using with photos, that type of thing. So that's the memory keeping sticker kit. Then we also have our classic cousin sticker kit. This sticker kit, these boxes work wonderfully with an A5 size Hobonichi cousin planner. So they're 1 3/8 inches wide, and they are so cute. I just love how perfectly they work in that size planner. And then you also have, in addition to the decorative boxes, we also have these little labels at the bottom. There's another sheet of the decorative boxes, but also the labels. We have a sheet of trackers and checklists and reminder stickers. There is a sheet of decorative stickers. We have a sheet of, there's days of the week, there's icons, there's headers, a sheet of alphas, and then also a couple of strips, and then the date stickers at the bottom. And lastly, a sheet of our vellum stickers that also includes some washi type strips at the bottom and then some decorative stickers at the top. And this is our classic cousin sticker kit. All right, now we have our Bible journaling sticker kit. We have a sheet of decorative stickers, a sheet of, we have some labels and then some different phrases, colorful and on white. We have a sheet that has a bunch of washi inspired strips and then also some date stickers. There is a sheet of different types of labels and then also these larger wreath circles at the bottom. Here we have a sheet of 2 different types of alphabet stickers. And we also have a sheet of vellum stickers that have different decorative elements and some watercolor splashes as well. All right, and last we have our Daisy add-on stickers. There is a sheet of just whimsical and fun decorative stickers. We have a sheet of alphabet stickers and another sheet of decorative stickers that also have the little phrases at the bottom as well. Now I did not receive, there was a mix-up with my box, so I did not receive the vellum sticker sheet, but you should absolutely head over to the website and subscribe to your favorite stickers and other kits from the Where the Breeze Begins collection